Welcome to Best Choice. The best barred owl nesting box is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for attracting and supporting these magnificent nocturnal hunters in your backyard, offering them a safe and secure haven to raise their young, which is essential for their conservation and for providing you with unparalleled opportunities to observe their fascinating behaviors up close, making it a truly rewarding experience for any nature enthusiast looking to make a positive impact on local wildlife. Number 5. WildYard Cedar Barn Owl Nesting Box. Transform your backyard into a haven for wildlife with this beautiful cedar nesting box. It's the perfect way to attract owls and support local ecosystems. Crafted from durable cedar, this birdhouse is designed to withstand the elements while adding a touch of rustic charm to your garden. Enjoy its longevity and classic style. Maintaining a clean space for your feathered friends is simple thanks to the large front access door. This makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring it's always a welcoming spot. This wooden sanctuary isn't just for owls, it welcomes a variety of birds, creating a vibrant birdhouse community in your yard. It's a delight for any birdwatching enthusiast. More than just a nesting box, it serves as a versatile outdoor shelter, promoting local biodiversity. It's an essential addition for anyone looking to contribute to a healthier backyard ecosystem. What we like. This box is built with durable cedar, ensuring it will last for years. It also features easy front access for simple cleaning. If you are looking for a classic, long-lasting option that's easy to maintain, you should consider this. What people say. Fantastic owl box. Nice quality, easy to install, and actually works. Hung it a year ago and look who's moved in this spring. The owl box arrived quickly. It is well made and won with bedding materials. Great owl house. Easy to assemble and hang. It came with filler for the owl nest and good instructions for hanging it. Number 4. Owl House Premium Wooden Birdhouse Kit. Crafted from 100% high-quality natural cedar wood, this birdhouse is built for durability. It features high-quality waterproof paint that won't seep or fade, ensuring it lasts for years. Setting up is simple and convenient with all the necessary mounting screws provided. An optional perch is included, giving owls a place to rest while you observe them. This birdhouse comes with ample cedar shavings to attract a variety of small owls and birds. Its spacious design is ideal for screech owls, sawing owls, and kestrels. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the safety latch, allowing for easy opening to clean out droppings. This ensures a comfortable living space for birds and encourages repeat visits. Hang it outside your window, in the garden, or on your patio to create a delightful bird sanctuary. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and enjoy the presence of wild birds. Watching birds visit is a joyful activity for people of all ages, especially nature and garden enthusiasts. It's the perfect way to bring the magic of owls into your backyard. What we like. This product comes as a complete kit, including shavings and screws for easy assembly. It's made from high-quality cedar wood and features a safety latch for easy cleaning. If you enjoy the process of building and want a comprehensive package for attracting owls, you should consider this. What people say. Product is well designed and pre-built for easy installation. Well made and sturdy. I'm sure the owls that move in will be safe and happy. Large and good quality. Number 3. JC's Wildlife Barred Owl Nesting Box. Bring the beauty of barred owls to your backyard with our specially designed nesting box. It's the perfect habitat for these magnificent birds, especially in wooded areas. With a 7-inch entrance and spacious interior, this nesting box offers comfortable and easy access for barred owls. They'll love making it their home. Our design prioritizes safety. The overhanging roof shields from weather, and the lack of perches deters predators, creating a secure environment for nesting. Keeping the box clean is a breeze thanks to the convenient clean-out door. The linseed oil finish also ensures it stays protected for years to come. This nesting box comes complete with a bag of pine shavings, providing the ideal nesting material to welcome your new owl residents right away. What we like. Proudly made in the USA, this nesting box is designed with a protective overhanging roof and no perches to keep owls safe from predators and the elements. It also features an easy clean-out door. If you prioritize American-made quality and a design focused on predator protection, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions plus high-quality stainless hardware was tucked in a Ziploc inside the included bag of pine shavings. The whole assembled house was inside a box, packed well, with 3 polywood, plastic-based wood made from recycled material, mounting strips. There's a cleanout on the side with CNC engraved cleanout and metal clasps to hold it closed. The mounting system is nice, especially considering you're 12 to 15 above the ground doing it. It's a French cleat, basically. Screw one strip to the tree, and level it. Easily enough done, one screw in, level, then another screw, or 2 as needed, the other 2 strips go one on the back of the house, other half of the cleat, and one at the bottom of the house, to secure it. You can hang the house up on a cleat easily, then reposition to secure a couple more screws on the bottom. It's as close to a one-handed operation as you'll get with such a huge birdhouse. Number 2. Nesting Perch Open Front Birdhouse. Attract a variety of songbirds like sparrows and robins to your home. This open front design provides the perfect space for them to build their nests. Handcrafted from sustainable eastern white pine, it's built to last. Its weather-resistant construction ensures protection from the elements year-round. Easily mounted under eaves or on any building exterior with pre-drilled holes. No complex assembly or maintenance is required. With generous dimensions, it offers ample room for birds to create their nests comfortably. It's ideal for species that prefer open nesting sites. Support local wildlife and sustainable practices with this birdhouse, proudly crafted in Maine. It's a natural addition to any outdoor space. What we like. This open front birdhouse is handcrafted from sustainable eastern white pine and is designed for birds that prefer this style of nesting, like song sparrows and robins. It's also very easy to mount under eaves or on buildings. If you are looking to attract a variety of songbirds that prefer open front nesting and value sustainable materials, you should consider this. What people say. Extremely well made and will make a good nesting place for the robins in my area who are nesting in various nooks and crannies around my house. The house is high quality and very well made. No rough edges and no splinters. I'm not handy but was able to put it up. The craftsperson who creating this nesting box had beauty, function and attention to detail in mind. It feels sturdy in the hand and I know it will stand the test of time for our resident doves. The mounting holes are centered in the back panel. Number 1. Navaris Small Wooden Bird Nesting Box. Get ready for the new season with this bird nesting box. It provides a safe and suitable location for smaller birds to build their homes. This nesting box is ideally sized for small birds such as robins, hummingbirds, parakeets, and bluebirds. It comes fully assembled and ready to hang. Simply choose a spot outdoors, like on a tree in your backyard, and enjoy the show. Constructed from real pine wood, it offers a sturdy and natural nesting environment for birds. It's perfect for watching natural bird behavior right in your yard. See them build nests, lay eggs, and raise their young. This is a great way for both adults and kids to connect with nature and observe wildlife up close. What we like. This nesting box is made of pine wood and is ideally sized for smaller birds like robins, hummingbirds, parakeets, and bluebirds. It comes assembled and ready to hang, making it simple to set up. If you have a smaller garden or are specifically looking to attract smaller bird species, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to hang and smaller birds loved it. Seems to be constructed strong enough for multiple year usage. This nesting house is very well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.